Hello guys, welcome back to our channel for yet another exciting video. Today we made a list of the best products based on their durability, value for money, overall performance and many others. As always, check on the description below to see the product links and get to know more about them.
Acquiring a suitable cable modem can save you money in the long run if you're still using the modem that your cable company set you up with. You're likely being charged a rental fee for that modem, which can add up over time.
Starting off our list, we have a fantastic model you can never go wrong with.
The Motorola MB8600. Suppose you already have a gigabyte internet plan, and your ISP allows you to use your own modem. In that case, the Motorola MB8600 is the best of the DOCSIS 3.1 modems that are widely available right now because of its relatively low price and its 2-year warranty. You'll need a DOCSIS 3.1 modem to guarantee gigabyte speeds from most cable ISPs. Please don't get a gigabyte modem unless you already have a gigabyte service or know it's available. The added expense of the DOCSIS 3.1 modems isn't worth it until you're already on one of these plans, especially since your ISP may roll out gigabyte over fiber rather than cable. It also works with any Wi-Fi router, including whole home Wi-Fi or mesh routers like Eero, Google Wi-Fi, and Orbi. This cable modem does not have a built-in wireless router or telephone call capability. The active queue management results in faster page loads for all web traffic and greatly enhances interactive applications like online gaming and video conferencing.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
Is the Netgear Nighthawk C7000. Eliminate monthly modem rental fees with the Nighthawk cable modem router from Netgear. This device combines a modem and a router to provide you with both wired and wireless internet connectivity for your home or office. Setup is simple, as it's equipped with one coaxial port and 4 gigabit Ethernet ports for your wired devices. Wireless devices will also be able to connect to this device on the 2.4 or 5 GHz bands. Once configured, you'll be able to achieve speeds of 600 megabytes per second on the 2.4 GHz connection and 1300 megabytes per second on the 5 GHz band. These enhanced data rates ensure you can stream HD content, download large files quickly, play online games, and much more. The Nighthawk also provides a wide range of security features, including a customized URL to set up a personal FTP server, separate guest network access, Wi-Fi protected access, double firewall protection, and denial of service attack prevention.
This next model provides the best performance on the list. Check this out if you don't want to compromise the performance in any way.
The ASUS CM32AC2600. Certified for use on Comcast Xfinity and Spectrum, the ASUS CM32 wireless cable modem router combines a DOCSIS 3.0 compatible cable modem and Wi-Fi router in a single easy-to-manage device that lets you avoid monthly modem rental fees. The CM32 implements DOCSIS 3.0 to bond 32 parallel channels to push downstream bandwidth to 1372 megabytes per second. 8 upstream channels deliver peak throughput of 245 megabits per second to provide plenty of bandwidth to broadcast your own content. The Wi-Fi is spread across dual bands as well as 4 antennas. There's 1734 megabits per second of bandwidth on the 5 GHz band, while the 2.4 GHz band provides 800 megabits per second of bandwidth. The MU-MIMO support improves wireless performance across multiple devices, while ASUS AI radar beamforming technology focuses on signals to enhance reception at greater distances. The CM32 will work with Comcast Xfinity and Spectrum networks right out of the box. The CM32 is also certified for Legacy Charter and Time Warner cable networks.
If comfort is critical to you, then you'd love this next model. It's one of the most comfortable models out there.
The Netgear CM500. America's average internet speeds measure around 100 megabytes per second, ranging from the low 20s to figures approaching 97 megabytes per second, depending on which survey you pick. If your plan is in that range and you don't intend to upgrade beyond 300 megabytes per second anytime soon, we recommend the Netgear CM500. The CM500 matches the ISP compatibility of the pricier CM600, but its maximum download and upload speeds are slower. That is 300 megabytes per second. The CM500 has a good reputation for reliability and comes with a 1-year warranty. It is also compatible with all major cable internet providers, including certification via Xfinity by Comcast, Cox, and Spectrum. CM500 further works with any Wi-Fi router, so you can connect any Wi-Fi router to this modem's Ethernet port to support all your wireless devices as well. The Netgear CM500 remains one of the best cable modems available because it's easy to find at most retailers.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
The RSSurfboard SBC6900AC. Since 1997, when the first surfboard was launched in retail, surfboard modems have been among the best modems leading the market and saving consumers money on their monthly rental fees. Whether you need a modem for your work tasks or entertainment purposes, having a reliable cable modem is very significant. The RSSurfboard SBC6900AC modem is a great cable modem for your home. It is a simple modem that is well designed for work and entertainment duties. This white modem is excellent for gaming, streaming HD videos, and tasks. The RS modem is also the right choice because it's compatible with all major service providers. The installation is simple and comes with a 2-year warranty. The device further has 16 download channels and 4 upload channels. Based on your internet plan, the download speed can go up to 686 megabytes per second. However, it is approved for plans up to 300 megabytes per second.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
The Netgear CM600. While most homes opt for internet plans that promise speeds of around 100 to 300 megabytes per second, some prefer higher speed service. If your plan promises download speeds that top 300 megabytes per second, you'll want a cable modem that can take advantage of that greater performance. Netgear's CM600 is the best cable modem for those higher speeds. Netgear's modem doesn't use the same Intel Puma 6 chipset that's been blamed for latency issues with some other high-speed modems. Because of that, you can expect reliable performance without the lags reported by users with Puma 6 powered modems. The CM600 is a little on the tall side, but it's got a funky futuristic look. Like other Netgear modems, it has a 1-year warranty. The CM600 is a 24x8 DOCSIS 3.0 modem. Also, please note, this one doesn't have a built-in Wi-Fi router. It is a cable modem only. The CM600 is ideal for streaming 4K UHD content, fastest downloads, and high-speed online gaming.
Thank you so much for watching. So, if you want to continue watching good tech content, make sure to subscribe to the channel.